We can see the posts. Now we get to delete some code. So I don't need to pass posts into the post component anymore, which also means that in the application component, I don't need to subscribe to that anymore, which means I don't need to keep an application state, which means I don't need to unsubscribe anymore. We do need to actually unsubscribe from the auth still. Right? So I can delete all of that post logic from the application component. Now, any component that needs the posts can get wrapped in that post context consumer, right, which will pass the posts in. But we can do one better. You can see that even I tripped up on that syntax a little bit with the extra curly braces, because this is what we call the render prop pattern, right, which is the child prop is a function that we pass stuff into, right? And I had a bug there because I had an extra set of curly braces, stuff along those lines. In the kind of newest version of React, we can actually hook into the context API and make this even cleaner. So I can actually say const post use context, pull that in from React. And now I can take away this. And that bug I just created, I can get rid of. So this will actually hook into the context API. It will grab me those posts, and I can just use them right here. And now I can take this post component, I can put it anywhere in my application. It's hooked up into the Firebase state, hooked literally. That was not a pun. Like this is a React hook. Let's make sure it works too. Cool. I can take this post component, because if you see it in the application, this is it. It doesn't need to get anything passed in from the outside world. I can just place this. If I need to move it to a sidebar, I can move it to a sidebar. I can do whatever I want with it. It is hooked into the application state using React hooks and the context API, hooked up to Firebase. As stuff changes in Firebase, those are passed into the component. Right? I no longer have to do this thing where I'm passing everything down and around. So like Firebase kind of like exists in my React app, and it's there for us.